Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we are going to be unboxing and setting up the Tonor TC3 USB condenser microphone. So first you just have to open it like this. So there are three things. The first is the mic itself. It has a stand and it has a rubber band inside where you can adjust stuff. Then we have the filter. And finally, we have the USB to the microphone cable. So we're going to be setting this up. So first you have the microphone. So these stands here, you have to extend them out and then it'll be like this. So make sure it doesn't fall and it can turn. So the next thing you should do is take the cable, expand it. It depends how you have it. So I don't need it really long. My computer is going to be right next to me so I can plug it in. So you plug it in and then you put the USB inside the computer, but you're not done yet. So there's a filter that it comes with. This filter is supposed to go into these two ports in here. So you can also adjust the microphone where it is. You can make it go closer, as you guys see. So now it is ready. Another thing is, if it becomes loose like this, let me show you. And it starts tilting forward or backwards like this. There is a tightener here, and you just tighten it all the way so it doesn't move anymore. So now all we need is a computer to test it out. So let me get my computer. So this is my Chromebook. So it works on any computer. And I just figured out, let's get a Chromebook. So you plug it in. I'm going to type my password. And I'm going to talk into this mic. So get record, and then I'm going to show you guys what happens. So, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, you guys heard the on and off button went for the camera in my Chromebook. So now let's see what is there. So I don't know if you guys can hear, but let me bring it up close. I'm going to put it on high volume, and I'm going to test this. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Testing 1, 2, 3. Alright, I don't know if you guys heard that, so I'm going to play it one more time for proof. So I'm just going to put it next to my speaker. So, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think you guys heard that. So that was the test for the Tonor microphone. So that's about it, guys. You guys can go to the website, which is right about here, which is right on this thing, on the box. It'll be there. So there's support at tonoramic.com, which is their email, and www.tonoramic.com. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy, and comment down below if it works on any device. Goodbye.